Hey, what's going on? Today we have a taste test with the new or with this limited time KFC chicken sandwich. It's a donut sandwich. It looks like I got a mustache. God. But anyway, it's a donut sandwich or two donuts and it has a piece of chicken in it and then it has the glaze on top of the chicken. The donut doesn't have a glaze on it, but the chicken does. And I don't think it's Krispy Kremes. Is it? I don't think it's Krispy Kremes. But anyway, this is our response, our review of if we liked it or if we did not like it. So stay tuned. Hey, so y'all heard about the KFC using their chicken and putting it in between two donuts. I thought it was Krispy Kremes, but guess not, because this is not no Krispy Kreme. But we went and tried it. So it's only in certain places. So I'm gonna try it. Let me try the donut first. That's greasy. Oh, that is greasy. Ugh. The chicken, it says piece of the chicken. The chicken is sweet. And this is greasy. Look at this. Look how much. You can't even see any of the... That's greasy. They deep fried that. Well, I mean, extra deep fried it. I mean, the donut tastes alright, but oh my gosh, look at the grease.
Oh my, that's nasty.
Grease. And it's not glaze either. That's grease. And they put a little bit glaze on top. There's no glaze on a donut. It's all on chicken. Oh. So now I'm gonna put it all together. I don't need no chopstick after this. But it's greasy. It tastes alright. The cooking by itself. But the longer I hold it,
slippery, greasy. Yeah.
So the KFC chicken in between two donuts, I mean, it's good, but it's greasy. I don't know what they did up at 5 Points, but it's greasy.
Oh, look at your fingers.
Yeah. Okay, look at this. Watch this.
Ew.
And that's grease.
It's like a sponge.
Yeah. But I don't know, KFC. Took the regular buns. So that's a quick review on this little donut thing. Still ain't beat Popeyes, but that's it. So till then, see you when we see y'all. Okay, so here's Trey. Trey is going to start. Trey is going to give his response or his reaction to this KFC sandwich. So it may be quick because he don't like being on film.
Very sweet. Slippery too.
Greasy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Was the chicken good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Would you pay for it with your own money?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So was that thumbs up, thumbs down?
Thumbs up. It's good. I just need
the greasy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, now it's Thomas's turn to try this chicken sandwich and give you his thoughts on this chicken sandwich.
Well, it looks huge. It looks like a Whopper. They wrap it like Burger King. That right there is making my arteries clog as we speak. Look at the glaze just glazing down the side. That's pretty big. That looks really appetizing. The chicken looks crispy, nice and breaded. I'm gonna take the top off. I want to see how big of a piece of chicken I got. Not bad. And of course you get 2 full glazed donuts. So, but it's simple. Now I'm gonna taste it. Here goes. That's a good chicken sandwich. The sweet from the donut, the glaze, mixing with the chicken. The chicken isn't too crispy, but it's good. It's done. That's not bad. That's a good chicken donut sandwich from KFC. Went and got 5 of them today. Waited in the drive-thru for about 10-15 minutes. It was a pretty decent line to get these, so, but not bad. I would crush. So, but stay tuned and thank you, KFC.
Okay, and here's Kayla. She just got home from softball practice. She's going to try this donut chicken sandwich. Got a same thing, donut,
Chicken.
the glaze. Well, let me see it. She's got a big piece of chicken too. Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. Is it sweet? How's the donut part?
Is that the donut? It tastes like nothing but the outside.
Yeah. Would you buy it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better than spicy sandwich.
What? Who?
Wait, no.
Chick-fil-A's
Oh, nah, yeah, wrong person.
or Popeyes? Chick-fil-A's.
Wrong person.
Not too sweet?
No, that's good. Okay. Bye.
So there you have it. Our review or quick review of this new KFC donuts and chicken sandwich. I guess it was alright, but it's only in limited cities and limited states, so I guess you'll have to wait to try it yourselves, or you can make it. But till then, see you when we see ya. Oh yeah, and my beloved seasoning, well, our beloved seasoning is coming in the mail. I think it said Monday because it said at the end of this month, but it switched it to Monday. So stay tuned for that because I can't wait till that comes in. So till then, bye.